Good writing starts with good grammar. How comfortable are you with your English grammar skills? In our digital world, you are required to write a variety of documents, emails, text messages, social media posts, incident reports, job applications, college essays, research papers. In every area of life, some form of writing is required. So, good writing skills are important to your personal and professional success in the classroom and the workplace. If you are a student or an adult learner returning to school after many years, a non native English speaker, or someone who just needs a good refresher on American English grammar rules, this class is for you. We'll cover some basics like nouns, pronouns, prepositions, and other parts of speech. Then you'll learn how to correct common grammar errors like fragments and run-on sentences. Grammar Essentials gives you the tools you need to quickly improve your understanding of standard English grammar. Learn the rules you absolutely need to know to improve your language skills in just minutes a day. Thanks for enrolling in the class. Don't forget to visit us at www.arhampton.com for grammar workbooks and more writing classes to support your learning. Again, thank you, and let's get started.